Members of the Edo State House of Assembly don't sympathize with the people of Estako West over the market disaster wey kpai some persons and put many for hospital. Speaker Edo State House of Assembly Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku expressing deep sympathy to the residents of Estako West local government area after the bad incident wey happen for Jatu Zuare market sake of the heavy rainfall on July 8, 2024. As they respond to the briefing from representative of Estako West Constituency 2, Honorable Akoke Abdul Ganiyu, wey don visit the families wey their persons kpai and the scene of the incident, Mr. Speaker come promise to set up committee wey go visit the affected site to check the situation and know how the house go fit provide assistance to the people wey the disaster affect.
8th of June, I received messages, calls via what happened at our popular market, the Jatu Zuare market. Mr. Speaker, yesterday I traveled home to see myself, also to visit some of the victims in the hospital. Mr. Speaker, I can remember I made it clear that the information I'm getting, we have a total number of 10. I was seeing 8 on social media, which we lost due to the incidents. But Mr. Speaker, getting there, I discovered it was a total number of 11 persons that died. Because even the other woman, 2 women that were rushed from that place to Notre Dame Hospital, the woman told me at that bed 8 p.m. yesterday, the other woman we came here together, she died. And that woman was from Delta State. The other woman I was able to speak with, she was from Okwila, Estako East. And that incident also took one of our sister's life, who is from Awuchi, took her life, and she was holding her baby under the tree. Herself and the baby, they were brought out, she was still holding the baby. From Awuchi, other victims from Avili, across the states. It was a terrible incident, and after that, I also visited about 5 families who lost their loved ones through the incidents, and after that, I also visited some of surviving patients in Notre Dame Hospital, Adiza Hospital, about 5 hospitals. Mr. Speaker, I will report to you that the injury is very serious. There is nobody you see without no fracture on the hand, on the leg, so 2 legs. And some of those incidents, I took pictures of all those incidents. It was a very terrible and a sad day for our people. I choose to give the actual report of what I've seen with my eyes. I also visited the scene, the market. I tried to imagine how come 4 trees at the same time can just pull from the ground, from the root, not to the same location, different locations, just pull because of the rain. People ran under those shade for cover. The first one took life of 4, the other ones took life of 3, just different. The same time, not the same place, 4 different trees. So, Mr. Speaker, I understand my people, they are not conversant with 5 junction. I would have called one honorable member to know what's happening. Mr. Speaker, I also sent the message, the greetings of the house to those patients I was able to interact with and other families which I visited. Mr. Speaker, I want to use this opportunity to beg this honorable house that the Zuare Jatu market need urgent attention. You need to see the level of that market. You need to see how bad the market is. Because me, myself, I'm scared for the next 9 days. I know our people must go there for their trading, their business. I'm scared of what will happen again. I want to use the opportunity to appeal to this house, all the relevant relevant authority, whatever they can do to come to our aid, to please assist us. And also, I will not forget, because during my interaction with the people, they said to me that the local government chairman tried. On how the issue happened, he appeared, he gave the necessary cover and necessary support. I will not fail not to bring that to the house, what he told me about the local government chairman. And all the people of Israel, everybody that was around, all their contributions, just to make sure they save the situation. Mr. Speaker, I thank you for this. On this, I want to beg for a minute silence for my people. I pray all their souls rest in perfect peace. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
So sad. It is a mystery that at the same time for trees simultaneously we just lift the roots from the soil aside because such disaster. That means that the war is a deep war we are in. So it's only God and knows what happened. For trees simultaneously eschew their roots from the ground. So my representing Estako West, the house sympathizes with you, and the house sympathizes with people and the family of the deceased. And I want to say that as a house, delegation will be friends to our chief, to our local government, to call out those who are in the hospital, to also salute them, not only salute them, to also see how the house can also be of assistance, to see how we can also support them. So if not totally concern their building, to an extent, contribute to their to set those buildings. And I have to set up a committee that will go for that visit. Chairman of that committee will be the speaker, the minority leader. Remember, representing the two members representing those constituencies and the member representing Estako Edo Journey. So relay our message, relay our message to the people of Estako West, and to also visit those who are in the hospital. That will also give them or show them or care about them. So we need to rise, not even 1 month silence, because remember that just too much to give 1 month silence.
Some members of the House come also make personal donations to support the victims. The House come also discuss other important issues for the state and matters wey concern the House Standing Committee on Environment, Sustainability and Transport and come forward some matters to the governor for further assessment.
When my colleague made mention of it in Jetu Market, my mind reflected back to when my mother was alive. She used to go to that market from Igua every 7 days to get some all the food items to resell. It was quite unfortunate, but I as a person, I will support the victim that are still alive in the sum of 3 million.
Thank you very much.
Support their hospital bill. Thank you so much,
Mr. Speaker, the report as presented by the House Standing Committee on Environment, Sustainability and Transport is due for consideration. I hereby apply that whilst Mr. Speaker retained the upper red share, that change toga from Mr. Speaker to Mr. Chairman for the purpose of considering this report. I so apply.
Mr. Speaker, this is a 2-point recommendation. Therefore, Mr. Speaker cannot remain in the red chair. He has to come to the lower red chair because it is only when it is a 1-point recommendation that Mr. Speaker can be allowed to remain. That's what the rule says. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, change his position as Mr. Speaker and assume the chairmanship of the committee of the whole and consequently move from the upper chair and resume seats in the lower chair for the purpose of considering the report of the last committee on development, sustainability and transport on the bill for the law to provide for the prohibition and control of parking on roads and highways in the state and to review the establishment and management of parking laws for the capital jobs in the state of 2002 and for other related purposes. I so
The majority leader to the effect that for the purpose of considering the report of the House Standing Committee on Environment, Sustainability and Transport on the bill for the law to provide for the prohibition and control of parking on roads and highways in Edo State and to repeal the establishment and management of parking laws for mechanically prepared trucks in Edo State law 2002 and for other connected purposes. That Mr. Speaker remove from the upper red chair to the lower red chair and change the repertoire from Mr. Speaker to Mr. Chairman of the board for the purpose of considering this report as necessary.
Distinguished members, just back on the matter of the law where reports of the House Standing Committee on Environment, Sustainability and Transport, a bill for a law to provide the prohibition and control of parking on roads and highways in Edo State and to repeal the establishment and management of parking lots for mechanically prepared trucks in Edo State Law 2022 and for other collected purposes. Two members, if you're in agreement that the 4-point findings and the 2-point recommendation should be taken by the House, please say aye. Okay, say aye. The 4-point findings and the 2-point recommendation taken by this House. Chairman and resume his exalted red seats to enable us give the final opportunity to this bill. If you are agreement, please say aye. Those against say aye. Distinguished members, those back on the committee, we go to the back of the House. Where the law to provide for the prohibition and control of parking on roads and highways in the state and to repeal the establishment and management of parking lots for mechanically prepared trucks in the state law 22 and for other connected purposes. And it was taken by parts for agreement that this bill should see the type of bill. Please say aye. Okay, say nay. Aye. Let this bill keep going. The should send the lower states. Mr. Gordon Master for his assets. Next one.
In addition, Mr. Speaker come also acknowledge the presence of the NYSC Gender Vanguard CDS group core members from Oredo local government area wey go do their CDS activities for the House of Assembly and come advise the core members to remain focused, say the knowledge wey dem go get during their service go add better value to their personal and professional growth.
Here this morning, Gender Vanguard Community Development CDS group in Oredo government area, led by the Vice President Lawal Aziz and Obu Ogene as the secretary, and the 6 others. They are there as part of the CDS, this House of Assembly. You are welcome. Thank you for coming. One welcome here always when you have your CDS, but you can also learn, because very soon in the future service, some of you might go to your respective governments and also go out and test to also represent your constituency. I pray to do so for you in Jesus' name. So we are free to come to our gallery to observe us anytime, anything.
To end the order of the day, the House come adjourn sitting till Monday 15 July 2024. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Edo State House of Assembly, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.